Base alkalis. Part 2. Yes, what is the fourth property of base? I would ask a question to you that base reacts with acid to produce salt and water only, and this reaction is called neutralization reaction. Would you tell, where we read neutralization reaction previous? Yes, the reactions we read in which acid react with alkali or alkali react with acid, we called both reactions neutralization reaction. As you are looking at the screen, sodium hydroxide aqueous and hydrochloric acid aqueous are reacting to form sodium chloride aqueous and water in liquid form. Let's come we take you again at science lab for an activity. Base has one more property, that is produce salt and water by reacts with acid. The same property we saw in acid, that acid produce salt and water by react with base. The reaction in which acid and base react each other is called neutralization reaction. Come, we perform this neutralization reaction. One is we will see the color change that is neutralized, and second, the product salt is making in it. Salt will visible by us when we evaporate it. First, we take approximately 3 cm³ sodium hydroxide in this test tube. We will put an indicator in it. Why we put indicator? Because when acid-base reaction completed, its color will be change. Can you tell about this color which produce in the result of this reaction? We called it phenolphthalein. The color of phenolphthalein in base is pink. When alkali will neutralize, when we add acid from up, maybe you've remembered that the color of phenolphthalein will change from pink to colorless. We will put acid dropwise inside it and shake it. You are seeing that we are adding acid in it and its color is not changing. Since alkali is present in it and it is not totally neutralized. Now, see that its color is becoming dark slowly. It has neutralized, but we need further to do it. Now, its pink color is removing slowly, and see that it has totally removed. Means reaction has completed. The alkali or base or sodium hydroxide has totally neutralized, and salt sodium chloride become in it. How we know that salt sodium chloride formed? For this, we evaporate the water present in it. We put this solution in this china dish, and we will heat it at that time until water is not evaporated. When its water will evaporate, the remaining thing will be salt. As you are seeing that the water has evaporated and remaining thing is salt, sodium chloride. It proved that when acid and alkali react, salt and water produced in that result. One more special property of alkali: when we heat the alkali after mixing it in the ammonium salt, in that result, a pungent gas, irritating gas ammonia produces. Pungent mean when you feel a smell, you feel a strange irritation. How can we know this gas is ammonia gas? Mean it is a pungent gas. When you smell it, you would realize it is a bad smell or irritating gas is produced, but how can it be tested? The method of testing is that when we put wet red litmus paper inside it, its color will be blue.